Day 9. It's a 1981 CB750. Today spent an hour and a half actually. Thought it was more like 2, but an hour and a half. Blocking the tank, blocking the rear cowl, pretty darn close. Also pressure washing and cleaning the rear swing arm. A lot of chain grease, about a 1/4 inch of chain grease and dirt, pretty much coated. Cleaned it with some purple and a toothbrush and a pressure washer. Here's a quick look. So there's kind of the attitude we want from the rear, with the curves kind of complementing each other. I know originally we said we were going to do a hoop on this, but we just changed. We like that KZ cowl on the tail, and we just can't get away from it. It fits our style. Here's a quick look at the swing arm. So all this was just coated in chain grease and dirt and everything. We got it cleaned up. I just put purple and an empty Wesley's bottle and a toothbrush. The Wesley's bottle, I don't know, that seems to be a pretty strong cleaner, and it holds up to the purple and doesn't eat it out to the sprayer and everything. Just a little cheap electric pressure washer. But that's day 9, blocking the tank and the rear cowl and cleaning the rear swing arm. About an hour and a half.